Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You must be fine hopefully today. Let's start direct passage and then we'll change it into indirect passage. And we'll take it sentence by sentence. We'll study it sentence by sentence or we'll analyze it sentence by sentence. Rita said to Munir, "You did not attend my birthday party." Okay? So first of all, we check these things. There is the past tense in reporting speech. There is a pronoun you and there is a pronoun my. Okay? So which person pronoun it is?
Second person.
Second person. Only one should speak. It's a second person pronoun. It changes according to
Object of the reporting speech.
Reporting speech. Okay? And Munir mean? He. Okay? And it is also subjective case. Clear? It is clear right now?
Yes.
And this is did not attend mean it's past simple. PS mean past simple, it changes into past perfect. Clear?
Yes.
And then there is another pronoun that is my pronoun. Okay, my is I think first person pronoun and it's which case? Which case it is? Possessive case. Okay, it means it will be changed according to the subject. That is according to Rifat. Rifat means she. And possessive case of she is
Her.
That's the reason I have written her over here, her birth party. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, and when there is object in reporting speech, we may use told, we may also use said. Some experts they use said, some experts they use told. Rifat told Munir that to remove inverted commas.
Yes.
Okay? Because it is starting with a pronoun. Okay? That he because of
Munir.
this one. This change into this one. That he did not will be changed into hadn't attended and it came from my
into her.
Okay,
Her
it's her birthday party. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Go forward? Next one is Munir apologized for that. It will be changed like extremely sorry. Friend will be cut, I think. Maybe it will be cut. Okay? It will be deleted. Extremely sorry will be changed into Munir
Apologize for that.
And then we'll join another sentence that is another statement. Munir replied, I had to go to my uncle's house in Multan. Okay? And added. Okay? To join another sentence or another statement, we'll use and added. Okay? And added. To remove inverted commas,
That.
we put
That.
or we write that. And where did this he come from?
Munir. I is changed according to
I will be changed according to
subject of
Munir, that is subject. Already our sign is there. Okay. And had to past perfect. Already past perfect is there. It will be
No change.
Same, no change. It will remain the same. That he had to go to his
Uncle.
why his? Is it the same?
Munir.
Up there.
My uncle.
My will be changed according to my is the first person pronoun and it's possessive. It will be changed according to the subject that is Munir.
And Munir his.
He and possessive of he is his. That's the reason. It's his over here. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
His uncle's house in Multan. Again we have to then another sentence, another question. How was the program? is asking. Okay? And asked. To join the sentence, we'll use above. We use this one. This is to create. This is definitely it's a question. Definitely, we'll use and asked. And asked how the program was will be changed into had. No, was will be changed into been. Okay, was is the second form, been third form, and before third form we had. That's the reason it's had been. Okay, how was the program will be changed into how the program
Has been.
Okay, is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sit properly. Don't sit like that easily. Be active. Sit up. Refer. Suggested. When we say let me show you the photograph. Okay. When I say let us study phonetics, phonology, or pronunciation, it means I'm suggesting something to you. Okay. So refer. Suggested to let her. You will be changed according to the this let me will be changed according to Rifat. Because Rifat is Rifat means she and Rifat is subject. Rifat is subject. Okay, and what does mean? Which case it is?
Me, mine. Objective case.
Objective case. And objective case of she is
Her.
It's her. Suggested to let her show where did this him come from.
Munir.
It's understood that she is talking to Munir. Okay. Though it's not written in the paragraph, though it's not the part of paragraph, Saleha, I am looking at you. And I will show this video to your father when he comes. Okay, I will keep this video as a record and show it to your father that she was, looking somewhere else when I was teaching on the whiteboard. Okay. So keep your eyes fixed, keep your ears fixed to my voice.
Yes.
When you keep your eyes fixed onto the whiteboard, keep your ears fixed to my voice, then there comes and also attention. Okay? You should be mentally and physically be in my class, be sitting in my class. Okay, still I am using, listening some whispering. What is this? Where did this hymn come from? Because of Muni. Okay? You will be changed according to Munir. Means he.
And he.
Okay, and you is the objective case. Objective case of he is him. Him the photograph. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
And if you have any questions or queries in your mind, you may ask me. Okay? And let me again repeat these two things. There are forms of be. First form is a mark. Second form, was. Third form, been. Okay, when been is there, we put had before. Okay, and while converting was or into, indirect speech, we put had before it. And then there is a bit difference between of and of. We use pa sound, we emit pa sound, we speak pa sound when it's double F. Okay. When it's single F, we do not emit fa sound, we speak like ow. It's not fa sound. There is no fa sound, it's ow. This is a cut sound, ow. Okay? Legs up chair, legs up table. Okay? And that's okay, I think. Thank you very much. Have a nice time, and thank you very much you too who is capturing the video and who wrote this lecture. I also owe a debt to her. Have a nice time.